Winter storm watch was just issued.
Then rain and freezing rain after midnight.
Let's see if they haven't done it yet.
38.
See if they done it
Once
after
again,
this.
at 3 p.m.
Like
at
what
the
they've done
John Glenn
before.
Columbus International Airport, it was 35 degrees under fair skies.
Yep.
Here is a winter storm watch for the following county: Union, Ohio. Winter storm watch in effect from Wednesday morning through Friday morning. Heavy mixed precipitation possible. Total snow accumulations of 6 to 11 inches and ice accumulations of 1/10 to 4/10 of an inch possible. Power outages and tree damage are likely due to the ice. Travel could be nearly impossible. The hazardous conditions could impact the morning or evening commute. Wind chills will likely fall below 0 degrees Friday and Friday night.
No dip.
Monitor the latest forecast for updates on this situation.
I don't think that's it.
Now looking at
Apparently
the
it
weather
is.
patterns affecting the southern Great Lakes and Ohio Valley region. High pressure
Well
will
then.
gradually move east of